Cleaning office spaces efficiently requires treating restrooms, kitchens, and general areas as separate zones with clear processes and tools for each. Start by mapping the facility and listing tasks per zone, then create a repeatable route that minimizes backtracking and cross-contamination. Use color-coded cloths and mop heads for restroom, kitchen, and general areas and store them separately so staff can grab the correct set at shift start. Maintain a simple supply checklist for each zone that lists consumables, disinfectants, and tools so restocking is fast and consistent. Keep extras in a labeled bin near the zone when possible. Train staff on correct dilution and contact times for disinfectants and practice a one-direction cleaning flow from clean to dirty to avoid recontamination. Schedule high-contact surface touchpoints with higher frequency and log completion on a paper or digital checklist to provide accountability and performance data. Finally, run brief start of shift huddles to assign zones, confirm any special requests, and note areas needing deep cleaning that day. A common mistake is mixing cloths and mops between zones, which causes cross-contamination. Prevent that by enforcing color codes, storing gear separately, and performing random spot checks. Another frequent issue is poor stock management leading to mid-shift shortages. Solve this by using per-zone supply checklists, restock thresholds, and a single visible storage location for quick replenishment. Lastly, some teams neglect training on product contact times and dilution, which reduces effectiveness. Fix this with short hands-on sessions, posted quick reference cards, and periodic competency checks. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for cleaning and other home projects, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and project leads. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and discuss best practices for workflow management and multi-zone cleaning in offices.